We live in a world filled with noise, yet in the quiet corners of our soul there is a cry, a longing we cannot silence. You have made us for yourself, O Lord, and our heart is restless until it rests in you. St. Augustine's words echo across centuries. He searched for meaning in pleasures, knowledge, ambition, but only found peace when he turned inward, when he found God within. Prayer is not an escape from life, but a returning home. It's not always speaking, but listening. It is the quiet space where God waits for us. Where are you, Lord? Why do I run from the one who loves me? Enter into yourself because truth dwells within. Lord, you have made me for yourself, and I confess my heart has wandered in noise, in pride, in fear. Yet you have never left. In this stillness I return. Speak, Lord, your servant is listening. Teach me to rest in you. Amen. Like Augustine, we are all pilgrims with restless hearts, but the journey inward leads to peace, to prayer, to God.